Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree Talwar. I am studying a B.Ed first semester in KLE Society College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Today I am going to present a seminar on Internet under the guidance of Sri Pradeep Lakshetty sir. Introduction. The Internet or a network of a network is the largest computer network in the world that connects a billion of a computer users. This network connects the billions of computer users. The word internet it comes from combination between a interconnection and network. Network is a collection of computers and a device connected via communication channels and transmission media allows to share resources that may be a hardware, software and data information. The vast collection of a computer network which form and act as a single huge network for transport of a data and message across distance which can be anywhere in the world. History. In the 1960 ARPA, that means Advanced Research Project Agency. In 1969, January 2 started an experimental computer network. In 1982, the World Internet started. In 1986, first free net created in Case Western Reserve University. Now, all peoples can connect to internet and improve their life and work quality. The internet support a various aspects in our life. What is internet? The internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks. It uses the internet protocol suite to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of a network that consists of a private, public, academic, business and government networks of local to global scope linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. Internet. The internet it carries a vast range of information, resources, and services such as interlinked hypertext documents and application of the World Wide Web, electronic mail, telephony, and file sharing. Internet services www World Wide Web, web page or a home page, web publishing, web browser, search engine, protocol, internet protocol, DNS, HTTP, HTML, ISP, email, newsgroup, URL, video conferencing, FTP, Telnet, forum. These are the internet services. Tim Berners-Lee. He is the father of World Wide Web. He is born in 8 June 1955 in London, United Kingdom. He is an English computer scientist, best known as inventor of the World Wide Web. Differences between the web and internet. Internet it is a collection of networks that connect millions of businesses government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. Web. We use to access the information over the internet. Different communication protocols, special link, hyperlink that enables user to jump from one place to another on the web. Different types of web browser: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera Mini, Netscape Navigator. These are the different types of web browser. What is web page? A web page, it is a document or a resource of information that is suitable for the World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on a monitor or a mobile device. This information is usually in HTML or XHTML format and may provide a navigation to other web pages via hypertext links. It can contain a text, graphics, audio, video, and has built it in connection or links to other web documents. A web page has a unique address called Uniform Resource Locator. Web browser, a software application for retrieving, presenting, and traversing information World Wide Web. Get view and sources on it allows to navigate the web. It can have a graphical user interface, meaning they can display a picture in addition to text and other forms of multimedia, such as sound and video like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, and Opera, or can be a text based like Linux or Lynx. First web browser was developed in 1991. Mosaic developed by Mark Anderson. Protocol. It is a set of guidelines or rules. Communications a protocol and the rules for exchanging those messages. Format that agree to transfer data between two devices. Hypertext transfer protocol, Internet protocol, file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, network news file transfer protocol, transmission control protocol, normally used together with IP. These are the hypertext protocol, Internet protocol, file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, network news file transfer protocol, transmission control protocol. These are the types of protocols. Electronic mail. In this electronic mail, the message can be formatted and enhanced with graphics and may also include other files as attachments. Like ordinary mail, email have address a written message that is sent and received over the internet. Example J1234 at a web. This is the example of mail. An email address identifies an email box to which email messages may be delivered. Most email on the internet uses the simple mail transfer protocol. We use the most times simple mail transfer protocol. This is how the electronic mail email we see in the computers. What are the advantages of internet? Communication, research, education, financial transaction. We will understand one by one how the advantages of the internet take place. Communication. First one, advantages of communication. Communication is a process transmitting and receiving a symbol, data, image, text, document, and graphics, etc. by using various computer devices. It includes the process of collecting, processing, distributing, sharing, retrieving, transferring, and storing the information. Internet now being a main communication tool using a video conferencing, internet phone, messenger, email, etc. Second one, research. In order to do a research, you need to go through hundreds of books as well as the references, and that was one of the most difficult job to do the earlier. Research is one such thing which has got a lot of benefits from this evolution of internet. Third one, education. In the field of education, how internet is used. Education is one of the best things that the internet can provide. There are a number of books, reference books, online help centers, experts' views, and other study oriented materials on the internet that can make the learning process very easier as well as a fun learning experience. Example, now we are seeing a Baiju app and all. Through internet we can learn easily. The students feel easily they can learn with playing. Financial transaction. Financial transaction is the term which is used when there is an exchange of money. With the uses of internet in the financial transaction, your work has become a lot easy. With the ability to do the financial transaction easily over the internet, you can purchase or sell items so easily. Example, if we are going mall and all, we have took a dress and all. No need of giving money by phone pay or google pay. We can transmit the amount or cash. It has made so easily. Now we have learnt the advantages of internet. We will see disadvantages of internet. Theft of personal information, spamming, malware threats, social isolation, obesity and depressions. First one, theft of personal information. The use of internet for banking, social networking or other services often makes our personal information vulnerable to theft. Unscrupulous hackers can access our sensitive information through unsecured connection by planting phishing software. Spamming. Spamming it refers to sending unwanted emails which serve no purpose and needlessly obstruct the computer system. The spammers usually use bots that bombard the receiver with an endless line of advertisement. This can prove to be increasingly perplexing as it keeps getting mixed with our more important emails. Third one, malware threats. One of the most annoying problem with the internet, the case which any malware can infect our computers. Virus programs are inconspicuous and may get activated simply by clicking a seemingly harmless link. Computers connected to the internet are extremely prone to IP targeted virus attacks that may end up crashing the system completely. Social isolation, obesity, and depression. Fourth of disadvantages. The biggest problem with having the internet is its ability to create rifts between the real and the virtual world. There is an addiction for everything that pertains to the web, and that includes excessive surfing, online gambling, social networks, and gaming addiction. Since all problems are so deeply linked with one another, and with the internet, it isn't uncommon for a people to be afflicted with multiple issues. Conclusion. On one hand, make a best use of the internet with careful planning and a proper management. Putting a business on internet can make it more effective and productive. Second point. However, understanding and knowing how the rapid changes and various complex issues that can be encountered in getting the business onto the net is imperative to its success. We have learned internet's introduction, history, what is internet, web page, web browser, protocol, internet services, advantages and disadvantages of internet. By this I conclude my session. If I made any mistake, sorry for that. Thank you one and all.